and welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So in this video we will talk about how to fix Gemini update problem. For this, open the Play Store app on your device. At the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Google Gemini. Now update it if not, and after this go back to the home page. Now open the settings app on your device. Scroll down and click on the apps option. Click on Gemini. Now click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache, and after this click on clear storage. Tap on delete. Now click on force stop option. Click on OK. Now go back to the home page. Now open the Gemini app on your device. From here you can select your Gmail ID and change your Gmail ID, and yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.